Hi, welcome back to my channel. Do you want to learn Chinese fast and easy? If you do, stay tuned. In my lessons, I will use this kind of 成语 and the sentences to get you guys to learn Chinese. And this kind of 成语, they are always four words combined together, never change. I mean this kind of. And they usually tells you a situation, a story, sometimes even tells you a history. And I use a 成语 to make sentence. Of course, I try to make as simple as I can so you can use in your real life. And the sentences are from the Bible. And this is the homework from last video. We are on Matthew chapter 9, 马太福音第9章 Okay, 第20, 25 and 26. I'm going to use one hand to count these two numbers. Okay, let's say this is 20. So, 25, 26, same thing, okay, 20, 20. So, 26句话 sentence 不靠的话 we're going to start with our 成语 first. 无 is none, nothing. 诗 is teacher. 资 is self. 通 is talent, understanding well. 无师自通 this 成语 is describe someone can understand something without a teacher's instruction. Okay, I made a sentence. 无师自通 Okay, make sentence 不靠的造句。自凹造基句造句。的为对一无余对于 is about. 和为会和无阿画绘画 is painting. 他 is she. 积安减之值减值 is simply. 积优就事就是 is that is. 无师自通 Okay. 对于绘画它简直就是无师自通 Okay, we're gonna study with our sentence. 知翁众日恩人众人 is a crowd. I put the in front. 不 a 被 is had been. 各安赶吃无出其余去赶出去 is drive out. 一耶四不苏耶稣 is Jesus. 积优就 is then. 基因进其余去进去 is went in. 阿拉这拉着 is hold. 那与女和哀孩的女孩的 is girls. 是欧手 is hand. 那与女和哀孩女孩 is girl. 基优就 is then. 七起乐哀来乐起来了 is got up. The 乐 is always past tense. 一无余诗于是 is then. 这 is the or this. 不恩风是恩声风声 is news. 吃无安传播一安变乐传遍了 is spread. 乐 is past tense. 那安那得一地不安方那地方 is that region. 众人都被赶出去了耶稣就进去拉着女孩的手女孩就起来了于是这风声就传遍了那地方 Okay, we have a new lessons. Okay, we're still on Matthew chapter 9 马太福音第9章第27 Okay, let's say this is 20 27 three finger 27 Okay, 27句话 sentence 不靠的话 and we have a new 成语积曰绝知无处绝处 is dead end but this 成语 means in danger Okay, life danger so 不安逢是恩生绝处逢生 I love this too for you Okay guys, let's practice right our 成语绝处逢生Okay, let's study our sentence. 一耶四不苏耶稣 everybody know is Jesus. 次翁从那安那那伊里那里乌安往其安前自欧走往前走一欧有了央两个两个 西阿虾之字瞎子，个恩根这跟着，特阿他和安喊鸡嗷叫喊叫，是我说 David， 的之子斯温孙子孙，可乐意安怜可怜，我莫恩门我们，波阿巴，耶稣从那里往前走，有2个瞎子跟着他，喊叫说 David 的子孙，可怜我们吧。Alright, guys, we're going to practice write our sentence. 耶稣从那里往前走，有2个瞎子跟着他喊叫说 We're not going to write the English, okay? David 的子孙可怜我们吧。Homework time is a fun time. Okay, homework 我考的家庭作业。Okay, download a translator if you are new. Translate each single word only if I'm on the line. You can check them together as phrases, so that will help you remember easily. Write 2 times and read 30 times. But the more you read, the better for you. 30 times you don't want to miss it. Trust me, I have good experience. Watch an episode of Chinese TV series every day. I have one here. It's called 射雕英雄传. It's a very fun one. In this episode, we maintain a lot of 成语. I choose only the popular one. Of course, you can watch something else. That's fine too, if it helps you. Okay, one thing I want to mention. Someone asked me how to contact me. I was gonna respond in that comments, but next day when I go back to find the comments, it's not there anymore. So I will put my Facebook on my video. You can contact me there. If you find value of my video, give me thumbs up. Remember to subscribe so you don't miss my new videos. Alright, I will see you next Friday.